Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open Settings, then tap Security and Privacy, then tap Fingerprint Manager. Use the search bar if your phone uses a different settings layout. You must set a backup PIN or password before enrolling fingerprints. The backup can be a 4-digit PIN or a longer password, depending on your device. Make sure your screen is unlocked and the phone is at hand. This prepares the phone to accept new biometric data securely and prevents accidental lockouts during setup. Tap Add Fingerprint to enroll a new fingerprint using the sensor. Follow on-screen prompts and place the finger flat on the sensor until registration reaches 100%. Remove old fingerprints by tapping the name and choosing Remove when you want to replace a stored print. If prompted, adjust finger position to capture edges and the tip for better recognition. Place the finger flat on the sensor and lift repeatedly for full scans. Confirm the new fingerprint name for easy identification. Test your new fingerprint by locking and unlocking the phone 5 times. Try unlocking the phone from different hand positions and while wearing a case to ensure consistency. Reposition your finger over the sensor from every angle for full coverage and better reliability. Enable fingerprint unlock for apps and payments only after testing and confirming consistent recognition. If recognition fails often, delete the fingerprint and re-enroll with slightly different angles. Keep your backup PIN or password memorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.